What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is a beautiful day in Christchurch behind me, which naturally is why we're headed down to Otago, where it is predicted to rain. This isn't the video we were meant to be filming this weekend. We were meant to be heading to the coast in Lando and Chris's disco. Unfortunately, possibly due to the fact that they're both Land Rovers, neither of them have a warrant right now, so that cannot happen. So instead, as you can see behind me, I'm jumping in with Dad and one of our other mates to head down to Otago with the Hilux to compete in the LANDSLIP rally. It's going to be more of a vlog style video from me rather than an actual event video, sort of just detailing the behind the scenes of how the Hilux is going. I won't personally be racing because I'd already planned to be on the coast with Tim, so Dad's got someone else in the navy seat. So yeah, I'll be following us around, filming and bringing you guys along. Alright, so it is now Saturday and we have made it down to the LANDSLIP rally. There is the Hilux, looking glorious as always. And yeah, it looks like we've got a really good turnout of trucks here. We've got a scrutineering currently happening. Really good variety of trucks. Certainly different to what we see up in the Mainland Winch Challenge. I'll give you a quick look. There you go, Tim. There's one for you, mate. I reckon Lando needs to look like it. But yeah, really good to see some of these more home-built trucks coming out to compete. Really shows that you don't need to, invest stupid amounts of money into a truck to get into the sport. You can just, grab a wee beater truck, slap some bigger tyres on it, rip body panels off and go have fun. Right, well, we've just been called to driver's briefing, so let's go get told what we're allowed to do and what we're not allowed to do, and then let's go have fun. Right, slightly weird feeling to be seeing my truck drive off without me in the navy seat, but I'm sure I'll survive. Apparently you don't even need to be in four-wheel drive to do these courses. Or the Hilux is just that good.
Give the others an advantage, First one in two-wheel drive, cracking.
It's nearly lunchtime down here. Hilux has been going really well all morning. I think they've got one stage left to do, but they've just noticed that it's getting a wee bit hot, so they're just going to shoot back to the pits for a quick stop, check the fans, make sure everything's working as it should be, and then duck back out to do their last stage. But in the meantime, I'll see what else I can film for you. Come back to the pits, nice and hot and sweaty from running around chasing trucks. Found that the Hilux is back mostly operational. Something with fans wasn't working, so from what Dad said, they've just hot wired it up and are good to go again. Let it cool down for a bit. So yeah, I'll go follow them and film their last stage. Professional repair jobs only, apparently. Righto guys, well the Hilux is done for the day. Pretty uneventful second half for us, one DNF. Got stuck in a wee bit of a hole, but other than that, all good for us. However, I've just looked over here and it appears that someone's done themselves a mischief. So hopefully he's alright. Looks like a fairly gentle rollover, but we'll go and have a look.
Right on the full mark, look at that.
Alright guys, now that the day's finished and all the trucks have finished their stages, the guys down here run what they call the sort of free-for-all or open round, where they'll link a couple of muddy stages together and just sort of let everyone have a crack at it. Sort of anything goes. You can throw your tractor tyres on, you can throw massive tyres on if you want. Some people even throw chains on. So yeah, it's just a bit of a fun end of day round, have a bit of fun, see what you do. I think it's scored as a standalone event, sort of just a prize for whoever gets furthest or does the best time or whatever. So Southland characters. So yeah, we'll take the Hilux out to that and I'll do some more filming for you. Good effort! First truck to make it through. Righto guys, so that's the end of the day, all wrapped up. Hilux went really good all day, really happy with how it went. Really not sure how we did in relation to the other trucks in our class, but I guess we're about to find out at prize giving, so I'll get some clips from there for you.
Super modified, first place. Puritan anti-revs.
Well there you are guys, as it turns out came away with first place for the event. Really stoked with how the Hilux performed all day, went really well, so super chuffed with that. It's awesome to get it out and do a different style event, which is really cool. If you enjoyed the video today, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more stuff. We've got heaps more stuff coming with Lando over Christmas, assuming that we can get it up and running. But yeah, subscribe to stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next one. Is this even filming? Oh, that's going to make the outtakes.